You ready? You want to be in the start?
Huh?
You want to be in the start of it?
Start of what?
My video?
Sure.
Alright.
Hi there.
Ready? Hold on. I'm going to do it. What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. And today, we're out here flying again. And unfortunately, we're dealing with some cold weather. Last week, I got lucky enough with 70 degrees. Today, I'm unfortunate enough to deal with, what do we say, 30 degrees?
That's 40.
About 40 degrees, and I'm gonna scan down. You're gonna see the best part. You see my peg? See it? I busted my damn legs, or my foot. So I got a busted foot, but I'm lucky enough because if you look behind me over here, here's my buddy Matt, all right? That's my chase guy right there. So I'm gonna fly, crash, and he's just gonna go keep chasing it for the rest of the day. So
Keep it in the air.
no, we're gonna keep crashing. I don't know, we'll see. But all right, I'm just sitting up here. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna have to sit and fly. I don't really done that much anymore, but we'll set it up. We'll get some packs going and enjoy the edit. Here we go.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work. Diamonds all on my ring, nigga. Gold watches, gold chain, nigga. 100,000 champagne, nigga. Yeah, my money insane, nigga. Yeah, I'm making it rain, nigga. But I was just on a plane, nigga. Buying gear, flying here. Fuck what you heard, it's my time of year. If I'm in the club, I get 100 stacks. I'm always rolling up, so I get love for that. Them niggas stole my swag, but I don't want it back. My nigga, I was on this, but now I'm on to that. You see it in my closet, for it's on the rack. Was out there in Hawaii, now I'm going back. My nigga, I got so much money, I should start a bank. So much paper right in front of me, it's hard to think. Buy so many bottles, it's gonna be hard to drink. But I'm still growing up, and my family here, and they rolling up. So, the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is
Hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work.
Hop your pretty ass up in this fucking car. Bitch, I'm out this world, girl, you know I'm a star. Used to buying rounds, but now we buy the bar. Last year they had to ask, now they know who we are. Bow shit, walk in the building, I own shit. You can tell by who I'm on the phone with. Yeah, nigga talking about grown shit. Nigga too busy jacking my swag. Need to fuck around, get your own shit. Get your own cars, get your own clothes, get your own smoke, get your own bitch. You ain't rapping my gang, get your own clique. The bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is go hard. Make sure you do whatever it is that you gotta do. That's your job. And niggas gon' hate, but that's no prob. So hey, fuck them, don't need nothing from them. Some niggas talking, but the shit they claim it don't mean nothing. It's straight from Cali, that's what's in my joint, that's what I'm puffing. OG, and been one since I was young enough to know that everybody was gonna know me. Most niggas don't see. The bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is
Hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. Work hard, play hard, work.
All right, so I've been flying around the Rooster and I've been tuning it up and trying to get it situated. And if you see my last edit, you probably, I know I was talking about I was having problems with the rooster getting it to, you know, getting the fly right and my efficiency and everything. So we switched to the Dale 5040 Cyclones, so a lot less aggressive prop. And I got rid of the LEDs that were messing with my OSD, and I did a little tuning, and we seem to be flying pretty good. So I'm on 3 or 4 packs now, and everything's so good so far, so good. Picked up another pilot over there, so, you know, again, still flying, still enjoy it. There we go. Let's keep going.
To the club like, what up, I got a big pack. I'm just pumped, I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like, damn, that's a cold ass honky. Rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green, draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me, probably should've washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in by me and grungy fucking man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket.